So now we'll start with the next topic, analog to digital converters. So here, as we know that analog to digital converters are nothing but they are used to convert the analog signal, which is continuously varying signal, into digital, which is nothing but binary, either 0 or 1 here. Here the main component or the basic element which is used for the conversion is a comparator. So as shown in this symbol, it has 3 terminals, 2 input terminals and 1 output terminal. So in that, the positive nothing but a non-inverting terminal, the negative is nothing but inverting terminal and the output terminal. So here the input signal V in, which is to be converted, is connected for the non-inverting terminal, nothing but V in is connected to this terminal, whereas the reference voltage which is connected for the inverting terminal. So it will work like this: when the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, then the output of the comparator or the op-amp will be logic 1. If the input voltage is less than the reference voltage, then the output of this comparator will be 0. There is nothing but logic 0 here. So here there are 2 topics which are going to discuss. First is a flash ADC, the second is successive approximation ADC. So first we will discuss the flash ADC. So this is a circuit diagram which is very simple one. So using this circuit diagram, we just briefly understand how this circuit diagram works and converts an analog signal V in into the digital signal. Okay. So now what are the things which it consists of? The first thing, it has an encoder at the output side, so which is used to provide a fixed binary point. Then means it has one algorithm, it uses that algorithm and provides an encoded output at the output side. We call them as a fixed binary output. Next, 2 raised to n minus 1 comparators, okay, so which are used to compare the input with the reference voltage and provides the output either logic 0 or logic 1, whereas V in is connected for the positive terminal, that is non-inverting terminal of the op-amps, and the reference voltage is connected to the inverting terminal of the op-amp, provided with the voltage divider circuit. Here the resistors which are used, they act as a voltage divider circuit which divides the reference voltage with respect to their values connected to the comparator. So now when the input voltage V in is applied with respect to the reference voltage provided, if the input voltage for the comparators is greater than the reference voltage, then the respective output of those comparators will be logic 1. If the input voltage is less than the reference voltage, then the output of the remaining comparators will be logic 0. Then those outputs will be given to the encoder as the input. Then the encoder provides the fixed binary point at the output side using any respective algorithm. So here the only thing is that we have used 2 raised to n minus 1 comparators, and the reference voltage will be divided based on the resistors used in the voltage divider circuit. Okay, based on that, if V in the applied input signal which is analog, okay, that is compared with respect to the reference voltage, based on that the respective comparator outputs will be logic 1 or logic 0. Now, so this is a flash ADC, hence it is a very faster converter from analog to digital. That's why the advantage of such circuit is that it will convert very quickly. That is the one advantage, whereas the disadvantage is that it requires large number of comparators, hence it cannot be used in a large circuit. A circuit which has 8-bit conversion of digital to analog to digital conversion, there we can use the flash ADC. That's why, because of the number of comparators used large here, so it has a limited applications. So this is about a flash ADC. If any doubts, you can text me a message. Thank you.